Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and page. I am Mama Triple N. Today's recipe is creamy spinach shrimp pasta. You are going to love this one. Make sure you watch from the start till the end. So these are all the things I'm going to use for cooking this food. I have my spinach, cherry tomatoes, bell pepper, shrimp, onions, and spices. So I'm going to add salt to the water and thereafter add my pasta. After adding the pasta, I'm going to stir and then let cook. As the pasta is cooking, I'm going to prepare my shrimp. We have to remove the shell from the shrimp. It is very important so that you don't cook it like that. So after doing that, I'm going to add black pepper, ginger powder, and some salt and paprika powder as well. So I'm just going to add all these things and then stir together and then let it marinate. I also added some vegetable broth, so I'm going to stir, mix together, and then as you can see, my pasta is ready. I'm going to start frying. You can let the shrimp marinate for 30 minutes, 1 hour. It's very okay. You can also fry it immediately. After frying on a low heat, I'm going to flip it and let the other side fry as well for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, and as you can see, I removed the shrimp. So now I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to let it fry a little, add my bell pepper. After adding the bell pepper, I'm going to also stir and thereafter add my cherry tomatoes. I'm also going to stir and thereafter add my vegetable broth, salt, and also the heavy cream like the whipped cream. So I added a little water to rinse it, just a little amount as you can see. So I'm going to stir and then add my cayenne pepper, paprika powder, and stir. So after stirring, I added my black pepper. I'm of course going to stir again and then add my spinach. It is very important to add your spinach at the end, like almost when the food is ready, so that the spinach will not lose its nutrients. Remember, spinach is also very healthy and good for the body. So I added salt as well because the taste was not like the salt was not that enough. So I added a little amount of salt, and guys, the taste was just perfect. So now I'm going to add my pasta and then I'm going to stir so that everything will just mix together. Look at this, guys, it looks so good already. So I'm now going to add my already fried shrimps. Guys, this food is everything. It is delicious. Like, you have to try it, you have to cook it and see what I am saying. So I'm going to cover to let cook for like 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat, and after that, guys, that's it. My creamy shrimp spinach pasta is ready. That's how I prepare this delicious, good looking, healthy food you are seeing here. So I added also my black pepper because I really love black pepper in food like this. Okay, so I added black pepper and stir again, and that's it, guys. My food is ready. Thank you so much for watching from the start till the end. You can also follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mama Triple N. Food is ready. It's time to eat. See you in my next video. Bye.